Hello everybody, so today we're going to be talking about linear graphs and drawing them. So firstly, we have our first question. We're going to do a few practice questions on linear graphs. Complete the table of values for y equals 4x minus 4. And then we have the x values, but we don't have the y values. So what this basically means is that y, you have to substitute x into the y equation. So y is equal to 4 multiplied by negative 2, because we're solving for the first area, so multiplied by negative 2 minus 4. So y is equal to negative 8 minus 4. Y is equal to negative 12. So this is negative 12. Now we use the same thing for the next one too. Is equal to negative 4 minus 4, which is negative 8. So negative 8. And now for 0, it is y is equal to 0 minus 4, which is minus 4. So we can see a pattern that we're just adding 4. So we can just do that. So now we just keep adding 4. With here it will be 0 and then 4 and 8. So now we have our values. Now we have to draw the values from negative 2 to 3, which is of x from negative 2 to 3. So now we have our x values. We have to point the first area. So negative 2. So negative 2 is over here for the x-axis, and negative 12, which is down here. So this is our first point. Our second is negative 1 and negative 8, which is over here. And these always end up in straight lines. So now the next one is 0 and negative 4. So 0 and negative 4. And then it's 1 and 0. 1 and 0, so right here. And then 2 and 4. So here's the 2 and 4. And then 3 and 8. Now we have to draw. So if we take our ruler and draw between them, it's a straight line. There. And now our second. So our next question, complete the table of values for y is equal to 1 minus 2x. So for this one, it's y is equal to 1 minus 2 multiplied by negative 2, which is y is equal to negative and negative multiplied makes positive 4. 1 plus 4, which is 5. So 5. Then the next one, y is equal to 1 minus 2 multiplied by 0, which is equal to 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Now we can see that it's getting subtracted by 2. So let's just keep doing subtraction by 2. And linear graphs always make straight lines. So now if we put it in, it has to be straight. So, and then negative 3 minus 2 is equal to negative 5. So now let's put our points in. So negative 2 and 5, which is up here. Then negative 1 and 3. Then 0 and 1. Then 1 and negative 1. And 2 and negative 3. And 3 and negative 5. And now if we take our ruler, it has to be a straight line. So